Ever wondered what it's like to cook, create, and master the art of food? Welcome to Foods, a hands-on course where you'll discover the world of culinary arts through delicious experiences, teamwork, and essential life skills. In this course, you'll dive into the heart of food preparation, mastering everything from kitchen safety to cooking techniques. You'll learn how to plan, prepare, and serve healthy, mouth-watering dishes, all while gaining essential skills that last a lifetime. You'll get hands-on experience with a wide range of food topics, from fruits and vegetables to baking, proteins, and even food photography. Through engaging labs and real-world cooking challenges, you'll build the skills and confidence needed to thrive in any kitchen. Throughout the course, you'll gain hands-on knowledge of food safety, nutrition, and cooking techniques, all while learning to appreciate the importance of thoughtful planning and presentation in every single dish. Join Foods today and build your skills in the kitchen while learning essential cooking techniques. Foods, your skills, your kitchen, your future.